Struggling with rising electricity bills and limited space in your apartment? Discover the top 6 best solar power systems for apartments 2026 that can transform your energy game. Welcome to my channel. Stick around for smart picks and easy solutions, and grab yours through the links in the description today right. On number 6 is Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus. What if your apartment never went dark again, even during long outages? The Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus steps in as a powerful, apartment-friendly solution that feels like real freedom. With 3,584 watt-hours capacity, expandable for longer use, it easily runs essentials like heaters and appliances, solving the biggest fear of unreliable backup. But there's more. Its high-temperature resistant battery and simple plug-and-play design bring instant relief and confidence, no technical stress involved. Charging is impressively fast, reaching full in about 2 hours with hybrid input, keeping your routine uninterrupted. Compared with others, it feels more compact, efficient, and truly designed for modern apartment living, though the price is premium and solar panels ship separately. Still, we focus on reliable, real-world tested solutions, and this delivers peace of mind. If you want dependable backup and long-term safety, it's a smart investment. Casual users might find it more than they need. At number 5 is Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2. What if one compact power station could run your apartment essentials longer than you ever expected? The Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2 surprises right away with ultra-efficient standby use, stretching backup time when you need it most. But wait till you see its real strength. With expandable capacity up to 4 kilowatt-hours and strong output, it handles multiple appliances smoothly, solving the common fear of limited backup in apartment living. Charging is where it truly shines, full in just 58 minutes, giving you instant readiness. Isn't that a game changer? Compared with others, it feels lighter, faster, and far more practical for tight spaces, though expansion adds extra cost. From our experience, we focus on dependable, real-life tested solutions, and this delivers comfort and control. If you want fast charging and reliable daily backup, it's a smart pick. But for heavy long-term users, you may want more capacity. On number 4 is STARYLINE Generator 1800 watts. What if one compact system could handle almost everything in your apartment during a blackout? The STARYLINE Generator 1800 watts steps in with serious confidence, delivering strong, continuous power that runs nearly all essential appliances. But does it truly fit modern apartment needs? Here's the deal. With a 1,024 watt-hour capacity and high-efficiency 200-watt solar panel, it solves the biggest issue: reliable, clean backup without noise or fuel stress. Sounds reassuring, right? Charging is fast too, reaching full in about 1.5 hours, keeping your daily routine safe and uninterrupted. Compared with others, it offers a balanced mix of power and portability, though it's slightly bulkier and not the most premium design. From our testing mindset, we value dependable and practical solutions, and this delivers peace of mind. If you want an affordable, strong backup, it's a smart buy. Minimal users might not need this much power. On number 3 is Jackery Solar 5000 Plus. What if your entire apartment and beyond could stay powered for days without a single worry? The Jackery Solar 5000 Plus enters as a powerhouse that completely changes how we see apartment energy backup. But is it too much or just perfect? Let's break it down. With massive, expandable capacities starting from 5 kilowatt-hours and scaling up to 60 kilowatt-hours, it solves the biggest fear: long blackouts with zero backup. Imagine that peace of mind. The instant 0-millisecond switch keeps your essentials running without interruption, which feels like true security. But wait, smart app control and silent operation make it feel modern and stress-free. Compared with others, it's far more powerful, but also larger and more premium in cost. From our trusted testing approach, we prioritize reliable, long-term solutions, and this delivers confidence. If you want full home-level backup, it's worth it. Small apartment users may find it excessive. At number 2 is EnginStar Portable Generator. What if a small, budget-friendly power station could handle your daily apartment essentials without stress? The EnginStar Portable Generator surprises with its compact size, yet reliable performance. But is it enough for real-life use? Let's dive in. With 296 watt-hour capacity and 300-watt output, it solves a common problem, keeping phones, laptops, and small devices alive during outages. Simple, but effective. The included 60-watt solar panel adds freedom, giving you clean energy even in limited space. Sounds practical, right? Safety is solid too, with built-in protection that brings peace of mind. But there's a catch. Compared with others, it's less powerful and not ideal for heavy appliances, though it shines in portability and ease. From our real use perspective, we value practical, everyday solutions, and this fits well. If you want lightweight backup, it's a smart choice. For high power needs, look bigger. Now moving to the last one is Anker SOLIX C300. What if one compact device could solve your everyday power worries in seconds? The Anker SOLIX C300 is built for people tired of sudden outages and limited charging options. But does it really deliver where it matters? Let's break it down. With 288 watt-hour capacity and 300-watt output, it keeps your essential devices running smoothly, bringing instant relief during power cuts. Simple, yet effective. The fast charging, 80% in just 50 minutes, means less waiting, more control, and that's a big win. Its lightweight, travel-friendly design makes it perfect for apartment living and small spaces. But here's the catch. Compared with others, it's less powerful for heavy appliances, though unmatched in portability and quiet performance. From our experience, we recommend practical, real-use solutions, and this feels reliable. If you need lightweight, daily backup, it's a smart choice. For high-demand usage, you may need more power. If you want the best overall choice, go for the Jackery Solar 5000 Plus. It stands out because it solves the biggest problem, long power outages, with massive expandable capacity and instant 0-millisecond backup. You get true peace of mind, not just short-term support. It's perfect for apartment users who want reliability, safety, and future-proof energy. Yes, it's premium, but you're investing in long-term comfort, stability, and full control when others simply can't keep up. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best solar power systems for apartments 2026. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.